Red Squirrel here. We've got dangerously high wind warnings all day today. Power's out all around us. So what better day to head to a flimsy cabin on the side of the woods to listen to the wind roar. Red Squirrel out. Red Squirrel here. The first order of business out here is going to have to get a fire started. Not sure if you can hear the wind. But it is blowing fierce. I want to get a fire started, get the shack warmed up a little bit first. Red Squirrel out. Took a little work, but the fire started. My smaller fire still wasn't really throwing a spark like it should. Finally caught a piece of the birch bark and it got going. Red Squirrel here again. Decided to make myself comfortable. I just strung my hammock. I'm right beside the wood stove. I've got a view out the window. I put my underquilt underneath it. You can still see my breath. But the temperature's slowly rising in here and it doesn't feel too bad. What a perfect place to spend a windy day. Red Squirrel out.